Hi, it's Steve here from SMC County Garage SEAT, and today I'm going to show you around a SEAT Arona FR Sport, so a top of the range FR model, finished in metallic black with the contrasting grey roof. Now this car is only 8 months old, so it's literally just arrived, only 8 months old, and has covered just over 3,000 miles. Now we're going to show you around the car. So starting inside on the passenger side, you've got these lovely micro suede and leather heated front seats. So that's certainly helpful with the weather conditions that we're experiencing at the moment. You have a 7-speed automatic DSG gearbox. Now what that does is gives you seamless acceleration by having 2 clutches running through the gearbox rather than an old-fashioned torque converter. Seating for 5, so 3 in the back with 2 Isofix fixings and a 60-40 split seat, so plenty of room for 5 people. Rear parking sensors are a standard feature on this. Don't worry, the car's not on fire, it's just a cold morning, so I've had the engine running so I can showcase the car. A split floor level, so you have what we call a false floor, so it allows you to level the flooring if you don't want to have a lip going into the boot, or you can drop it down. As you'd expect with a car as new as this, it's in fantastic condition with no marks inside or out really. Moving up to the driver's seat, you've got a lovely height adjustable seat which is heated, and buttons running down the left and right hand side of the gear selector. The ones on the left run through and change the different driving profiles. You've got dual zoned climate control and a lovely big clear colour media screen. So that's where you control your navigation system, your telephone system, radio and such like. This also has the paddle gear shift, so if you want to change gear with a more of a manual mode, you can do that without taking your hands off the wheel. And this one also benefits from what's called the digital dashboard. So depending on what you prefer, you can have a lovely clear display, or you can have a lot more of the car's features displayed in behind there for you. Electric windows all round, electric and power folding wing mirrors as well, and these lovely silver and grey alloy wheels. To finish it off, you've got the lovely full LED headlights, so super bright, super clear, and really showcasing in great detail. Now, if you have any questions on this car, then please don't hesitate to come back to us. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye for now.